Today I'm going to show you how to enable Scareware Blocker in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick security setting that can help protect you from fake warning pages, scam pop-ups, and suspicious websites that try to trick you into downloading harmful software or giving away personal information. If you use Edge regularly, turning this on is a smart move and it only takes a moment. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can control privacy, security, and other browser features. In the Settings menu, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains a lot of the controls that affect how Edge protects your browsing activity and handles security-related features. Once you're inside, scroll through the options until you find the Security section. Click Security to open the security settings for Microsoft Edge. Here you'll see different protection options that help keep you safer online. Now look for the Scareware Blocker option. This is the feature we want to turn on. Scareware Blocker is designed to help detect and stop scam pages that use frightening messages to pressure you into clicking or installing something unsafe. When you find it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, Edge will start using that protection in the background while you browse. And that's it. Scareware Blocker is now enabled in Microsoft Edge. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference when it comes to staying safe from online scams. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses Microsoft Edge and wants better protection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.